great. Filling. Timber loader. Press the pump. Amazing! Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Let's wash. Timber loader. We need to assemble. Hydraulic hammer. Stop. First, we have to fill it. Hydraulic hammer. Press the pump. Keep up the good work. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Now we need to wash it clean. Hydraulic hammer. You're doing really great. First, we need to assemble. Bulldozer. First, we have to fill it. Bulldozer. Press the pump. We did it! We need to prepare everything for the digging machine. Now we need to wash it clean. Bulldozer.